The mood of the market has been upbeat this week. We've got European bourses looking to end the week higher, as are US bourses. The FTSE is on track for over 2% gains, as is the DAX and the Dow Jones. The S&P is looking more towards 1% gains, whilst the Nasdaq is looking at 1.3% losses across the week. Now, the reason for the upbeat mood in the market is basically down to vaccine news. We heard from Moderna, the US biotech firm, who have announced that they're progressing their vaccine candidate to phase 3 trials. Also, we've heard from Oxford University and their collaboration with AstraZeneca, and phase 3 trials are going well there as well. The reason that vaccine news is so important is because it is the quickest and surest way for global economic growth to return to pre-coronavirus levels. And for that reason, investors are so sensitive to coronavirus vaccine news. Now, looking at other markets, oil is looking to end the week down around 0.2%, and that's basically on the back of the OPEC Plus group saying that they will ease supply cuts as from July. Gold, on the other hand, is still on the rise. It's rising for a 6th straight week, up 0.2% so far this week. The gains in gold are slowing, but it's still supported thanks to its safe haven appeal. As far as stocks are concerned, in the US, we had the start of US earnings season. The banks were kicking that off. Now, a notable performer was JP Morgan. They reported record trading revenue thanks to the volatility brought around by coronavirus. And that will go some way to offsetting the $8.9 billion provisions for bad loans. Also reporting last night, we had Netflix. Now, Netflix came out with some stunning numbers. We saw new subscribers increase by 10 million across the second quarter. That was beating 7.5 million that was expected. That means that so far this year, Netflix have seen 26 million new subscribers compared to the whole of 2019 when it saw 28 million. So, these are really strong readings and showing that as people have stayed at home, they've subscribed to Netflix. However, the Netflix have guided that this growth will not be sustainable, and they do expect it to fall off, and that is why the stock is trading down around 10% in the grey market. Also, another stock that was an outperformer this week in the UK was Ocado. Now, they rallied 6.8% across the week after reporting. Now, they reported a 40% year-on-year increase in revenue and an 80% increase in profits. Now, the stock is doing well. It's also got a 1 million waiting list for its service. So we expect this to continue to do well even as the UK eases out of the lockdown.